It's a beautiful winter day here in Illinois. The ice is starting to melt though off the roof and off the trees and everything. The sun is heating everything up, but it's still like 27 degrees outside, so I don't think the snow is really going to go anywhere. Here's part of my backyard, the new house. Let me go outside here real quick to show you. Goes all the way back past that pine tree right there. Show you. Right now the family room's a little bit of a mess. Kids, you know, what are you gonna do? This is our family room, what we call the family room. The dining room table's there, couch, little TV. It's an enclosed porch. And yeah, we need some heat out here. That's why we've got that fan going in the window there. Bring the heat out here. My office. Right now, it's still getting kind of organized. It's mine and the wife's office shared. There's her side. Got Christmas decorations over there. Here's my side. Had to put this piece of pleather right there because when they did this breezeway, they didn't really connect it to the garage. There's like a gap. They left the siding on rather than removing it to attach it, which we're gonna have to fix. We're gonna have to take all that siding off, and gonna have to do something around this window because it looks like they just set it in there and put some wood. You know, the way they did it was weird. But yeah, there's a gap right there where water or where the cold air gets through. And I put this here because it's one of those, can't really see. It's one of those windows that has the slots, the old-fashioned windows that you open it, you crank it, and it opens. Several different slots open up. So, but yeah, here's my office. My collectibles, one of my computers. The TV that's out in the family room was my second monitor. We're planning on getting a bigger TV for out there, so right now we're using my second monitor. Once we get a bigger TV, that one's going to come back here and be my monitor. My scripts for a couple of my Comageddon videos. My Transformers and Voltrons. All my collectibles. My books. Movies. We have tons of movies, guys. My old tattoo machines from back when I did tattoos. Got some graphic novels over here. Some religious books. The 2016 Book of Discipline for the United Methodist Church. And different United Methodist Church books. Along with others. And then intellectual property. These three were free books from the college. The library was cleaning out some of their older books, and those were three of them that were giving away for free. Some more graphic novels, Cub Scout stuff, the D'Artagnan series. We got some psychology books and my baby book photo album. And then we got some DIY style books. So, and then we got the garage, which right now it's pretty cluttered. We still got some stuff that needs unpacked. But this is where I do my studio work for Comageddon and the other channels. We're thinking we're gonna take down that backdrop because it's difficult to get the lighting just right for the green screen to chroma key it. So we're thinking about taking that down and just sanding this wall and painting it completely green. So, and this green screen, it's not even really green. I mean, yeah, it looks green, but according to the chroma key, it's actually a shade of yellow, which really sucks because a lot of my clothing has yellow in it. If you guys go over to the Comageddon channel, you'll see what I mean. Plan on getting some more lighting for in here. So anyway, there's the garage. My Cubs flag. Hi. Got up this morning, took the kids to the bus stop. Once they got on their buses, came back, printed out my script for today, for today's recording session anyway. Then I made me some hot apple cider and started recording. I recorded my intro and everything, and then through the green screen, and then I did my audio, my narration recordings. And yeah, we got clothes hanging back there right now because when we moved in, our dryer from the old house, we didn't realize it, but this takes electric, not gas, so we couldn't use our dryer from the old house. Get a little shaggy. So we bought this off of Marketplace for $20. It's only a few years old. The wife, she took it apart, and because she wanted a winter project, she took it apart, and because it wouldn't run, so she took it apart and cleaned the motor and everything, got it running. It worked for a few loads, and then last night it stopped drying. It'll turn on, it'll go and everything, but no heat. So got to take it apart again, probably replace the either the heating element or the thermostat, whichever. Here's our kitchen. Friend of mine, one of my first clients, made this for us. Then we got the living room. The kids spend more time in here than we do. We actually don't spend any time in here at all. We've kind of left this up for the kids. Now, take you up to my room. So, heading upstairs. As you can see, these stairs are pretty steep. This is the den. Ooh. It's the den. This is where I spend a lot of my time when I'm done filming and recording and everything. We have a king-size bed in there. That's our bedroom, by the way. We have a king-size bedroom or bed in there. We could not get it up these stairs. So what we had to do, and that was even with folding it in half, what we had to do, I had to come up here. I had to completely take this window out, and we had to have our new neighbor come over and help, because my wife and my oldest daughter were downstairs with the ladder, and I was up here, and they couldn't get it up high enough to where I could reach it, because I was holding on to the window, to the frame with one hand, trying to reach, so that when I grabbed it, I didn't go down with it. So the neighbor had to come over, and he threw that thing around like a rag doll. He threw it over his shoulder, climbed up the ladder, and tossed it up to me, and then helped me guide it through the window. And then I had to put the window back in. So, but there's our room, our bedroom. So this is our new house. I really like it. I like it a lot. The kids really like it. We all have our own areas. So yeah. Right now, I decided to take a break from editing. I'm editing a History and Origins of Darkwing Duck video for Comageddon. As you can see right there. I'm about 3/4 of the way done. But I really needed a break. Got all my comic books right there. I still got to figure out what to do with. So, just wanted to take a break and give you guys a little bit of a video. Probably film a little bit more today before I actually edit and upload this. And it'll probably be online maybe tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow morning's good. Fit it into my editing schedule. So don't you just hate it when you're getting a frozen dinner out of the freezer? It's one of those pre-cooked meals. All you gotta do is heat up whatever. It's got the plastic on it, everything like that. And anyway, you go to take the plastic off, and it just doesn't work that well. You're left picking at it for what seems like 20 minutes. Well, here's what I started doing a while back. Wanted to share it with you guys who cook your meals, who don't let the wives do all the cooking. Take a blow dryer. If you got women in the house, you will have a blow dryer. Set it on hot and low. Okay? Then, what you want to do is, let me set this up. Uno momento, por favor. Okay. So, put it on low. Go around the edge a few times. Just peels right up.
I thought you were like doing the vacuum.
Nope. I was filming.
No.
Say hi, boo.
No. No.
There you have it. Easy way to get plastic off your TV dinners. Now I'm going to put this in the oven. As soon as the preheating gets done, then I got to do these dishes. This is 1 day's worth of dishes in this house. So Just did dishes yesterday at dinner time. Now I gotta do these.